Hello friend, welcome to Would You Rather Challenge, another edition.
Let's begin and do comment your choices.
Would you rather have the most expensive car in the world or have the most expensive motorcycle in the world? Would you rather live in the apartment on the left or live in the apartment on the right? Would you rather have a lot of Coca-Cola or have a lot of Pepsi? Would you rather have the phone on the left or have the phone on the right? Would you rather own a restaurant or own a bakery? Would you rather own this car or live in this mansion? Would you rather have a set of Nike sneakers or the sneakers on the right? Would you rather show off that you're rich or live a very private rich life? Would you rather have the bathroom on the left or have the bathroom on the right? Would you rather have the mountain chalet on the left or the mountain chalet on the right? Would you rather have an Audi car interior or a Mercedes-Benz car interior? Would you rather own a Tesla or own a retro car? Would you rather shop online or shop in an actual store? Would you rather have a private movie theater or have a private gym? Would you rather be Elon Musk or be Mark Zuckerberg? Would you rather own a private island or own a resort? Would you rather have a collection of branded shoes or have a collection of branded watches? Would you rather have a voice-controlled smart home or have a gesture-controlled smart home? Would you rather own a helicopter or own a limousine? Would you rather have the TV on the left or the TV on the right? Would you rather own a theme park or own a zoo? Would you rather have a sauna or have a hot tub? Would you rather have the jet ski on the left or the jet ski on the right? Would you rather have a golf course or have a racing track? Would you rather own the private yacht on the left or own the private yacht on the right? In today's challenge, don't forget to check your results, comment below to let us know your score. Remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the next quiz videos. Goodbye!